Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe has received notable updates in its Z71 and RST trims, introducing a refreshed look, enhanced tech, and increased pricing. The Z71 trim now sports rugged styling cues such as a new front fascia and off-road suspension enhancements, while the RST trim leans into a more performance-oriented style, especially with the available RST Performance Edition package. Pricing: the base model Tahoe starts around $63,495, while the Z71 and RST trims begin around $73,495 and $71,495, respectively. Chevrolet's addition of new features has led to price increases of roughly $4,500 to $5,300 across various trims. An optional diesel engine and the Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving feature will be available in early 2025, adding premium options to the lineup. Powertrain options: the Tahoe offers 3 engine options, each paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The standard engine, a 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower, is available on most trims, while the High Country, RST, and Z71 trims can be equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 generating 420 horsepower. The 3.0-liter Duramax diesel, favored for its fuel efficiency, is also available on select trims, providing around 26 to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Interior and tech enhancements: inside, the Tahoe features a redesigned dashboard inspired by the Blazer F, with an 11-inch digital instrument cluster and a 17.7-inch center display. The updated Google-powered infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a surround view camera, and advanced safety features like forward collision alert and lane keeping assistance. There's also a new trailer assist suite, catering to towing needs with features such as trailer tire pressure monitoring and guidance lines. These improvements make the 2025 Tahoe both a capable family SUV and a tech-savvy vehicle fit for long road trips, especially with its spacious cabin and enhanced towing capabilities of up to 8,400 pounds in specific configurations. For more details, you can refer to sources like GM Authority and Edmunds.